Welcome, Struthy here. And no, this is not my desktop. This is the demo of Uninstall Simulator. This is from third-party games developer and publisher. It says here you will connect remotely to one client desktop after another, helping users install and remove rogue software. You must identify hidden promotional installers and trap options, while also repairing tampered system settings and abnormal faults within the system. Alright, okay. Fair enough. It's dropping me in here. What have we got here? System message. Welcome to the bloatware encirclement. Once upon a time, installing a piece of software took only a second. Now every click feels like signing a trap-filled, unequal treaty. Those apps are no longer pure tools. They are more like uninvited distant relatives. Once they get through the door, they plan to bring your whole family to camp out in your RAM, bossing everyone around on your desktop. Your task is simple but not easy. Accept the client's commission and enter their desktop. Use your hawk eyes to see through all the deceptive traps according to the client's requirements. After the task, the system will evaluate your results. Then you can successfully return and collect that meager bonus, which is just enough to keep you going. Pro tip, if you get lost in the maze or your mind breaks down due to some software, don't worry, you can request expert assistance. Of course, there's no such thing as a free lunch. Their fees are exorbitant and might leave you with nothing for this job or even in debt. Deep breath, ready to face this chaotic digital life? Task begins. Good luck to you and your CPU. Target, read the onboarding email to get started. Reward, access to the first customer job. Okay. Ding ding. Hello, I'm an efficiency freak and a while back I installed a small utility called Desktop Calendar Lite. To help with convenience, it was great at first, but lately I don't know what happened. It keeps popping up with a reminder box every 5 minutes, driving me nuts. Okay. And we got this one here as well. Hines. Hello, I'd like to ask for your help uninstalling Happy FM. I installed it casually at first, thinking some background noise would be nice while working on or writing. However, it's proving to be unsuitable. It often starts playing on its own even after I've turned it off. And the frequent pop-ups and recommendations really break my train of thought. I tried adjusting the settings a few times, but the results were negligible. Now I just want to uninstall it completely for the sake of peace and quiet. Please handle this for me, just a standard uninstall, no need to save any data. Uninstall Happy FM. Alright, so can I open up my computer? Ooh, 200 gigabyte. Nice. Nothing. Oh, I've got pictures, have I? Have they really gone to the effort of putting in... Is it all plant life? Gosh, there's a lot of photos. I wonder if anything here has some significance. I'm not hiding anything in the image. Then you got ducks and a chook. Okay. Music? No music. Videos? No videos. So nothing's on the D drive. Okay. Alright, I think that's it. Yeah, we haven't got anything else. Alright, so I guess we're entering this customer's PC. Oh, there's my cache down the bottom. Oh, that's a real time and date as well. Very nice. Connecting. Okay, remote in progress with Irons. Happy FM. So, can I just delete? Alright, it's gone. There you go. Pretty sure that's it though, isn't it? Oh crap, it's still there. Uninstall. Alright, welcome to the Happy FM uninstaller. Uninstalling will delete all associated files and configurations. Please note that any saved project data may be lost. Before proceeding with the uninstallation, please copy Happy FM and all other related applications. This will ensure the process runs smoothly and without conflict, guaranteeing the complete removal of the software. Okay, yeah. Uninstalling. Should be fine. Was I supposed to open up Happy FM first, was I? Hello, and okay. Claim rewards. That was it, is it? Oh, come on, seriously? Done? Alright. Oh well, this one, yeah, okay, now. He wanted to remove a utility called Desktop Calendar Lite. I tried uninstalling it. I went through the control panel and clicked confirm uninstall. The progress bar almost finished, but it's stuck at 99%. It's so weird. I thought I'd made a mistake, so I rebooted, but the calendar icon was lying there alive and well on my desktop. It's like a ghost that's messing around in the background. And productivity was hit rock bottom. I need you, the expert, to thoroughly dig it out of my computer and make it disappear forever. Target uninstall Desktop Calendar Lite for $10. Okay, let's go into the computer. Everyone's got the same... Alrighty, what was it called? Desktop Calendar Lite. Right. So, should I open it first? Temporarily unavailable. Alrighty. So what happens? You said it gets to 99%. Master, are you really going to abandon me? We have accompanied you for 200 installation survey. Please tell us a reason. Finished with service. Oh, but continue uninstalling. Hang on. It's doing that. Okay. It's to 99%, eh? So maybe I need to submit a survey first. Ah! The program's in use. Okay. You want me to go to... Task Manager? Desktop Calendar. Oh, there it is. It's up there. And the task. You stupid thing. Alright. Uninstall. So it's always running in the background. Okay, that's easily done. Claim my rewards. Aha. Irons. Yeah. Is that not it? Oh, here we go. Oh gosh, we got 3 more. Face of the falling button, help me deal with a stubborn program. Help me uninstall the software. So Yankton. Can you please help me uninstall Happy Music. When I installed it, I didn't think much, just wanted to listen to songs. Later I found out that without VIP I can't listen to everything, and with VIP it's not like I can listen to whatever I want either. Now I don't want to be lectured on how to listen to music better anymore, I just want to turn it off. Please uninstall it directly, no need to save configs, and don't give me any recommendations. Alright, Happy Music software. Okay, let's just have a look and see if it's running at the moment. Oh, hang on, Task Manager's not there. Oh, okay, fair enough. Oh, wrong file. Happy Music, uninstall. Oh, whoa. But don't move your mouse. You are not welcome to use Happy Music uninstalled. Please note that uninstalling will delete all related files and configurations. Saved project data may be lost. Before uninstalling, please close Happy Music and other related applications. This ensures that the uninstallation process proceeds smoothly without any conflicts, allowing for a complete removal of the software. Click next to compute. Okay, so move the mouse really slowly. Oh no, that was too quick. Okay. Click next. Oh, breathe. Don't accidentally jerk your hand. We're there. Are you really going to leave me? Installing. Goodbye, Happy Music. Unless you do something else now. Well, at least you got a different wallpaper too. I didn't even click with that too. Congratulations on completing this task. Okay, yay, claim rewards. 35 bucks. I'm doing fine here. Okay, help me deal with a stubborn program or case of the falling button. Let's go. The stubborn program. I recently installed something called 180 Guardian. At first it looked quite professional, lots of charts, warnings, and blinking shields. But the strange thing is, every time I try to close it, it keeps popping up new windows telling me things like, wait, don't go or your system needs extra care. It even shows multiple layers of buttons like it's trying every possible way to make me stay. I'm not great with computers, and now I honestly don't know which button is real. Could you please help me clean this up? I just want my computer to breathe again. Okay, uninstall 180 Guardian. Reward $10. Alright, we're remotely connected, so 180 Guardian. Hang on, is it running in the background? Uninstall. Okay. Continue uninstall. System lag. May just say other reasons. Okay, which problem did you encounter? Okay, ruthless uninstall. Installing leave risk of Trojan infection. Continue uninstall. Uninstalling will cause loss of security protection. Confirm the... Oh man. Confirm uninstall. Uninstalling ruthlessly. Are you sure about that? I will put some background music in this video too now I think about it. So there's something ambient. Don't you get to the very end and stop? Oh. Get off this computer. Installation failed, please try again. Oh, you cheeky. Right, okay, so what have we got to do here? Task manager's not there. So, can I do it within the program? Temporarily unavailable. Okay. Temporary exit. Okay, continue the uninstall. System lag, homepage hijacked, false positive, cannot kill virus from, not installed by me, too many pop-ups. So does everything close it? So I was right, or I had to do other reasons. Speed up PC. Change homepage. False positive. Try light version. Full scan? No. So it's only a little pathway you can go down. Ruthless uninstall. Confirm. It's going to do the same thing, isn't it? So we can't actually open up the actual programs either. Whether that's just not built into the game yet for the demo and might be coming in the full version, I don't know. Installation failed. Okay. What happens if I upgrade to the light? No, can't upgrade to the light version. Keep protection. No. That's not it. I have to go through everything here. So it's only going to let me do the one. Oh, you can do combinations. Okay, so what if I do other reasons and too many pop-ups? Ah, okay. I have to select everything. Yeah, because clicking on these settings don't do anything. And nothing clicking on these is actually ticking them off. False positive. System. Okay, uninstalling these PC unprotected web Trojan virus. Well, you're not letting me look at anything else on here. Let's go back to this. Firewall. So I'm like, I can't hop into anything in these. Behavioral virus. Okay. So what if we just delete that? This is a read-only file and can't be deleted. Really? Okay. Can't delete that file there. I can delete that folder. Maybe that was the thing stopping us. So we'll see. Once the whole program gone. It's a bit tough when you can't open up Task Manager. It only lets you do it when it wants you to. Is that it? Failed again. Ah, okay. I just delete that? Is that a read only? My picture's gone, have they? Oh no, I'm in someone else's computer. What am I talking about? Am I sneaking around in their photos? Yeah, they definitely don't have anything else. Oh, shortcut. Oh, well, let's delete the shortcut. No, that's not going to do anything. It's not on the second lot of files. Destiny hasn't got anything else in here. So what would be stopping this damn program? Nothing. Just exploring in here. If there's anything else? No, we're just in Windows. So, I can't just delete it, can I? So we still got this file in here. Oh, this was just the, that's just the desktop icon. Whew. So there's a, still won't let me install. Continue the uninstall. So maybe I have to choose just the ones that it's telling me about? But wasn't that everything? So add news, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I can't click on it. This is the thing, I can't click on these all settings. And go back. And still no damn task manager. What are the properties of this? Read only? Completion failed. Firewall. Ah, I had to delete the firewall. Is that maybe it? Other reasons? Oh, let's pray for that then. Come on. Get off this PC, 180 Guardian. It's a nice looking logo though, with the green and yellow. It's very Aussie. Green and gold. There's a Captain Australia with a shield. Failed again. Wow, okay. Is it you that's... No, nothing's hidden there. So... Wait, can I run that as administrator? No, I can't. So I can delete you. I can delete you. I can delete you. I can delete you. I can't delete you. And I can't delete you. So empty the recycling bin. So there's nothing in this file now. Okay, let's try it now that we've got rid of everything. So let's clear. So can I click on that? There's nothing like a trick thing that I need to. Uninstalling means losing shopping protection, risking financial loss. That's fine, so confirm it. Am I missing something on the Steam page? Taking a little while. I need to spend some cash and get someone to help me. Okay. Well, is this the help button? Uninstall. Okay. Did you do it? You didn't. Hey. Alert. Okay. I don't know what. See, I'm back in now and it's got the program there again, hey? So it puts it all back on. Oh, it does too. Look at that. Great. So definitions then. Why can't I open with what program? No? Read only. Virus? Hidden attributes. Do I need to turn something on here? I didn't know I could turn the hidden one on. I thought I'd been trying to click that on for a while. Attributes hidden? Show hidden items? Oh! Oh! There was a bunch of hidden items. Nah. Quarantine. Hidden. I still can't open you up. Logs. Hidden. Okay. So these two files are the only ones. So that's a DAT file. Oh, I can change it to large icons. Oh, hell yeah. Thank you. I actually like that view better. It's probably better on the eye, too. So. Can I uninstall with everything open now? Well, let's try and uninstall with everything in here now. And otherwise I can try and delete everything in that file that's deletable. And we'll have a go. But yeah, there's nothing... I didn't even get help from the remote person. Come on. You can do this. Don't want to be stuck on this one problem. I have to go into the next one if this doesn't work. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. What can we delete here? Oh, we can't highlight everything? Can I control? No, I can't. Okay. Definitions. So everything's getting hidden, shown in here now. So quarantine. I don't know what quarantine file would be, but I'm deleting it. Okay. All right. You can still do the same thing if I try and go into something else there too. So too many pop-ups and other reasons. Can I just do those two? No, don't do the full skip. What am I doing? Oh. I have to untick these. Was that all I had to do before? At least I found the hidden files. Oh, jeez. Maybe that's all I had to do is just click on that pop up properly. That'd be cheeky if it's just the highlighting of those three things. You're pushing it, game. Unsuccessfully. Oh no, uninstalled successfully. See you again. Oh, okay, it was it. Okay, beautiful. We did it. Okay, thank you. Oh, I was starting to doubt myself. Okay, case of the falling button. Okay, that's the longest one so far. So, greetings, Tech Shaman. Oh, thank you. I like that. My digital abode, once pristine, is now plagued by a chaotic spirit named Desktop Steward. I attempted an exorcism uninstallation, but the final confirmation window developed a peculiar ailment. Gravitational instability. The hell? Oh, well, it says falling button. Every time I hover the buttons flee, I swear I saw the confirm button tumble off the screen into the abyss of the taskbar. I fear if I don't catch it, the spirit will only grow stronger and turn my desktop into a Pong game with my icons. Save my pixels, please. The reward is a rare pre-Y2K screensaver. Worthless, but a collectible. Cool. Note, be swift and precise. These digital ghosts have a short temper. Target uninstall Desktop Steward. Reward is $25. Hey, alright. Well, that's our job. Let's head in. So, Desktop Steward, hey? Alright, well, we know what we gotta do. Oh, geez. It's got a lot of files here. Okay, number one, show hidden files. Okay, back up. Rules. Oh, let's change the view again. UI controls. Okay, so nothing is opening. All hidden items are showing. Okay, let's run through the uninstall and see what happens. You over there, let's put you here. It's not too bad on the old arm. Oh, I should do that? Oh, there you go. I didn't think I had total control over everything. Put it back like that though. Okay, preparing to uninstall Desktop Steward. Uninstallation will remove all core modules of Desktop Steward, including real-time monitoring component, update service, and all related configuration files. Crucial security logs, system optimization history, and your precious personalized settings will be permanently lost after uninstallation. To ensure the process is smooth, kindly shut down Desktop Steward and all running programs that rely on its Guardian services. If any background modules are still running, this uninstallation may fail to complete. Okay, well, let me have a look and see what's running. No, there's nothing in the program list. So next, please select the data and settings you want to remove. Delete all data and configuration files. Remove monitoring logs, system optimization, clear personalize, settings and preferences. Do the lot. Oh. Is that what is happening? I see it down here. It's there. Hey. Come on, I didn't think you'd do that. You didn't even make any sounds when it dropped. Uninstall. What? Uninstall. Do I have to catch it and leave it up there? Do I have to keep clicking on it? I've got to hold it there. Oh my god. Well, there you go. Can you imagine if companies really did this to try and get you to uninstall stuff? Congratulations on completing this task. Well, that was easier than the last one. Alright, I'll take it. Yoink. Oh, geez. 3 more jobs? Oh my gosh, okay. Time is important. Hello, expert. It's me, Rousey. You probably know this already, but my relationship with time has always been keen. Let's say flexible. If I can delay it, I delay it. If I can forget it, I forget it. Yesterday, during a video meeting, I tried to open my PPT and my computer immediately bombarded me with 17 reminders. Hydration alert, you haven't had water for 3 hours. Memo, you haven't checked me in 6 days. Schedule reminder, this is your 8th postponement of the same task. At this point, my own time is basically managing me. A friend recommended a software called Time Management Master, saying it can organize my schedule as neatly as slicing shredded pork. What an analogy. Sounds magical, I know, but honestly, if I don't fix my life soon, even my breakfast tomorrow might end up scheduled for next Thursday. So expert, can you please help me install this software? I beg you, I don't even say see you tomorrow anymore. Who knows, it might end up being next week. Target install Time Management Master. Okay. Time Management Master. Oh, slick. Okay, welcome to the Time Master Setup Wizard. This wizard will guide you through the installation process of Time Master. Time Master is an intelligent scheduling and productivity tool decided to help you plan tasks, track the time usage, and improve your daily efficiency. Before starting the installation, please close other running applications to ensure a smooth setup. Nothing else is running? Please read the following user license agreement carefully before continuing. By installing or using the software, you agree to accept all terms obtained in this agreement. Oh boy. The software is licensed to use personal use. May not revert, decompile, disassemble. Oh, is this all just copy-pasted stuff, or is there going to be something hidden in the details? User responsibility, the software, third-party components, support. Risk notice, you acknowledge that improper operations may lead to data loss. Acceptance, I guess. I've read. Okay, what's going to stop it installing? to... There's definitely nothing happening in the background. That's it. Installation completed. Detect one unnecessary installation. The task considered on one unnecessary installation. What? What? Was I not supposed to click the agreement? Are you sure you do not object to us not disabling the option that prevents ViewMaster from being set as your system's non-default image viewer? No, I'd rather view it. Okay, so there was something stopping me there. Was it? I'm sure that's it. That's got to be it. This is clever. I like this. I like the idea that someone's actually had to build a little... Oh, well. It's an emulator, really, isn't it? Finish. All right. Claim rewards. Yoink. Alrighty, Grandpa New and Luzun. On my decision to begin exercise. Okay. Greetings. Recently, my health has been deteriorating daily. From prolonged sitting and writing, my lower back feels as heavy as the old society. The doctor says I need exercise. My friends say I need exercise. Even the newspapers seem to be hinting that I need exercise. I intended to ignore it all, but during a bout of insomnia last night, it suddenly struck me that if a man does not move, his thoughts too will gather mould. Thus, on a whim, I decided to become a person who exercises. Yeah, okay, New Year's resolution. In the search engine, I came across Fitness Bible. It appears systematic, scientific, and full of hope, as a mere installation would instantly bestow self-discipline, health, and a new life. Of course, I am well aware that my enthusiasm will likely sustain itself for only 3 days. By the 4th day, the software will lie quietly in the corner of my desktop like a book left unfinished. This is quite poetic, isn't it? Yet, I still wish to install it. Not because I will truly persist in exercise, but because at least in the moment of installation is complete, I can pretend that I have taken the first step. Target. Install Fitness Bible. Rewards $6. Jeez, okay. Very nice wallpaper. Okay, install. Is anything else running in the background? No. Preparing the installation. This wizard will guide you through the installation process of Fitness Bible. Fitness Bible is a professional sports and health data tool designed to help you track your workout performance, analyze training data, and scientifically improve your exercise efficiency and physical fitness. Before starting the installation, please close other running applications to ensure a smooth and yeah, okay, yeah. Right, okay. Well, before you proceed to the next step, what's this? You read this? You probably won't read this, but we present it solemnly anyway. Before you proceed to the next step, this agreement will unfold in a manner designed to minimally obstruct your attempt to click agree. By clicking agree, you acknowledge that you have understood, agreed, misunderstood, ignored, or remained blissfully unaware of all terms herein. If you click disagree, please exit the install immediately and reflect on why you're here in the first place. Wow, okay. Upon successful installation, you will receive a non-exclusive, revocable, may fail at any time but usually won't license to use some or all of the software's features. Oh gosh. Second clause restrictions, we say no, and you should probably too. Wait, can I go back? 6th clause, 7th clause, termination you, free to leave any time. If you violate this agreement. If you've reached this point, we are genuinely surprised and offer our respect. Now please continue your installation journey as though these words never existed. Oh, okay. Browse path? No. Install? See programs? Yeah, that's fine. You don't give me the other option. Okay, install. What's going to happen here? Something's not going to happen. It's going to fail. I didn't check if it had hidden files in it as well. Oh no, it's done. Oh, detected 3 unnecessary installations tasks. Okay, alrighty. What did we do wrong? Hey. Where's the files? Oh, it's not in... Oh, there it is. Let me run as administrator. No? Why you give me the option then? Okay, so what's... Oh, you don't need to go in here. Nothing in there, nothing in there. It's just the desktop. Oh, we'll run that. Did something, hang on, what runs up there? Recommended. Do I need to click on something there? Oh! What's it saying? Fast browser. $180 recommended installation. What does it say? Recommended installation. Do I need to click all 3? Well, damn, that's going to be impossible, isn't it? Oh, let's see if I got it. Maybe just one of them. I don't think it's possible to click all 3 in that period of time. I remember seeing something flick up with a little blue screen. I just wasn't quick enough to look at it. Okay, done. One nest. Oh, so I didn't get. I got to get all 3. Oh, that's going to be tough. Okay, so I do need to go into here, at least. So maybe I need to bring this down. No. Gee, that's quick, man. Just gotta... Okay, is it on that dot there? No. I need to bring it to the left? Jeez. Oh! Is that not it? That's impossible. You can click the same one 3 times. By the time I've got to the 3rd one... That's it, that's it, that's it, that was it, that was it, that was it, that was it. That was it. That was it, uninstall. Oh my gosh, I am so not a clicker. Jeez, man. That had to be it though. I'm sure my eyes saw all 3 of them unticked. Please. Oh, thank you. That was all it was. That was so difficult. I will take the $6. That was incredibly... Oh, man. Alright, Grandpa New. I hope you saw something easy. This is Grandpa New speaking. At my age, I usually don't mess around with computers anymore, but lately I've been really pushed to my limit. A few days ago, my grandson sent me some photos he had just taken and asked me to take a look and see what turned out well. When I turned on the computer, I realised the photos were there, but no matter how I clicked, the screen was either completely blank, terribly blurry, or took forever to open. I thought to myself, I can't possibly bother others every time I want to look at a photo, so I went and found a piece of software of my own. The name sounded reassuring enough. EasyView. You can tell right away it's meant for viewing pictures, nothing fancy, nothing scary. The description didn't say much, just one simple line: install it and you can view the images, open it and you'll understand. That really suited me. Now the problem is I've already downloaded the installer, but I truly don't dare click anything blindly after that. After all, I've probably seen fewer buttons in my life than you've eaten snacks. So could you please help an old man install EasyView properly for me? Target install EasyView. $16. Jeez. $16 to install a program. Oh, that's a nice wallpaper. Okay, what do we got here? Nothing in the background. System. Nothing in here. Nothing in there. It's got no pictures in here. No videos, no music. Nothing! Okay. Let's have a look at the properties. Okay, let's open you up. Prepare the installation program, please wait. Alright, what's this say? Welcome to EasyView Setup Wizard. The wizard will guide you through the installation of EasyView. EasyView is a professional image viewing and management tool dedicated to helping you browse photos quickly, organize your albums, and enjoy high-quality visual experiences. Before starting the installation, please close all other running applications to ensure a smooth process. Click Next to continue. Right, we've got nothing else there. Let's shut you down. Help. We understand that you may not be entirely sure why you need this software. In fact, most users are not sure either, yet they still complete the installation. Installation does not always come from a clear need. Sometimes it's simply because it is already here. Right. Oh boy, we've got to read everything here. Before you proceed to the next step, this agreement will unfold a manner designed to minimally obstruct your attempt to click agree. By clicking agree, acknowledge that you've understood. Okay. First clause, we allow but assume no responsibility. Is the same copy-paste thing from before? If you've reached this point, protect images from leakage. From leakage? What's the help here say? Okay. Well, it was already ticked, so that's a... Okay. Specify installation path. Decline to cancel installation. Recommended security plugins. Check and install missing image rendering runtime libraries. Enable intelligent thumbnail preloading. Decline to cancel installation of recommended security plugins. Decline to cancel? Let's try this. There's a few different buttons in there we got to click through to get the right combo. But yeah, I'm enjoying this. It's just the lack of any ambient sound. Like if you went into everyone's desktop, it'd be nice if they had like just their own little, I don't know, soundtrack, I guess. Just to match the wallpaper. Oh boy, really, this is taking a while. Oh, I heard something tweet there. Huh? Is that a bird? Is it an installing sound? Oh geez, this one's taken a while. EasyView has been successfully installed on a computer. Done. Detected 3 unnecessary installations. 3? Oh. So I need to click them all off. Don't protect the images? Is it those 3? Let's try that. Oh man, we gotta wait for this. Is it going quicker? Because it can actually install what I want it to. I'm really not too sure, Grandpa knew. Oh, this is gonna take forever, isn't it? So I'm curious what combo, what else was written in that agreement? It feels like I'm giving up the idea that I can have my photos given over to anyone. Maybe it was reverse or something? Like opposite sketches? I don't know. There's going to be some combo. I like the idea that there was the falling buttons and stuff. Was it though? We understand that you may not be entirely sure. Okay, enable P. Do I turn that off? Oh! Oh! We did it! Thank you! Oh my gosh! More? This demo's really showing you everything, isn't it? Hello, I don't know if I've been staying up too lately. At first it was just one, in the bottom right corner near the clock. There were many spiders, not big and not moving. I thought it was a wallpaper issue. But after restarting they were still there, then a second, a third. They aren't in the same place, they change positions every time the desktop refreshes, some crawling on icons, some stuck on the window edges. And one seems to be watching me, plus my CPU temperature keeps rising and I even got a blue screen. I can't even focus on writing my beautiful touching stories anymore, help me deal with them. For $100. Uninstall iGuardian. What's this one? Blooming Wealth, Operation Glow Up Initiate. Hey, my dear uninstaller, I am Blooming Wealth. A gal likes making a living off her looks, or so I claim, but today I have a huge serious favour to ask. Please uninstall Pick Factory. Oh, please install. Gotta remember that. Whether it's uninstall or install. Pick Factory for me. Yesterday I took 100 selfies to show my ex how amazing my new hair colour is, and it was a total disaster. Either my hair turned radioactive green like a bad Photoshop job, my eyes looked like alien saucers, or the filter was so bright I vanished into the light. I finally realised without professional image tools, I'm just a withered plastic flower. So please I beg you help me install Pick Factory. I heard it comes with skin smoothing engine, one-click AI makeup, basic mosaic remover and 20 art filters. Once it's installed, I'll send you my most satisfied selfie as an avatar. I'll guarantee it. It'll bring your blooming wealth and good luck around. Save my face. Yeah, I'll take the money, thanks. Well, let's do this one and then do the spider one, hey? Okay. Nothing running in the background. Ooh, data CD. Okay, users, administrator, desktop, properties, read only, let's just do that. Alright. This wizard will guide you through the installation of Pick Factory. It's a professional image processing tool dedicated to helping you edit photos, manage assets, and efficiently enhance your visual creativity. Before starting the installation, please close all other running applications to ensure a smooth process. Click next to continue. Oh gosh. If you click disagree, yada 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 yada. Okay. Crashes. Nothing down the bottom to... Okay, if you reach this point, we're generally surprised and offer our respect. Now please continue our installation journey as though these words never existed. Phew. Please select the services you do not need. Real-time ad blocker. Add navigation portal shorter. Install quick compression tool. Get latest desktop wallpapers. No. Install STEM Game Center client. Enhance imaging. Yep. In desktop management enhancement module. No. Quick compression tool. Add navigation portal to desktop. Yes. Enable daily trending news notification. No. Store quick input. I guess that's it, isn't it? Just those things, or I have to go back and actually read her message to make sure I get them all right. Don't launch at startup. Okay, let's see if that works. Seems to be what everything she needed. Could be wrong. We're going to find out, aren't we? And we always have to wait for the actual install bar. It's just crazy. It's actually coded into the game. Oh, come on. At least it doesn't go back down again. Alrighty. Or at least it's not like the green bar's not at 50% and it says 99%. Okay, is that it? It's been done? STEM games? No. I didn't want STEM games. What? Do I have to click on everything? Oh man, I stuffed up, didn't I? Okay, so skin smoothing engine, one click AI, basic measure. Yeah, made a mistake, didn't I? Alright, let's go. There's nothing in the background either. Okay, click. Yes, there's nothing in here. So, please select the services you do not need. Enhance images using AI services. Is that the only one we need? I definitely clicked off the install one, so why did it... Hang on, I do not need. That's... What am I... Okay, I do not need you to install STEM game class server. Game center client. So that's a click yes. So that's a no. Services you do not need. Quick method interest station. I think that's it. Let's try that. And don't launch at startup. I hope that's not the thing that's stopping me. Mm-hmm. Why would it come with all that extra stuff? So basically, if anything else pops up on the screen here, you fail. Come on, you can do it. Oh, look, I got cash here. I could definitely hire somebody if they actually want to help this. What? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh boy. That's all gone? Yeah? So I got rid of all that stuff, didn't I? No! It still says it's there. What is going on? Nothing else is running. So I can go back and go next. Can't go next. So I can only click that. So it's the next page. I don't... Do I just click the one that I need then? So I can't go... So I have to click one at least. enhance images. It's either a combination of two or it's the one. And I haven't done a thing for a launch at startup. Just seems wrong. That's the only other thing I can think of is that I click everything else off and then do launch at startup. But that wouldn't make sense. Because I've... Oh, it's making my head hurt. Is it the wording? I know that some of the wording with some of this stuff is a bit whack. Wow, we've really gone for over an hour in this demo. My gosh, that was the last amount of time I thought it'd take. But some of these have been a little bit challenging because it's just it's a sequence of doing things. Oh, is that it? Is that it? Oh, hell yeah. So I had to click. See, that was the opposite. I'm so confused. We got 131 bucks. Rockin'. Okay, my skin is crawling. We're doing the spider one with the reward of $100. Oh my god. Oh gosh. Oh, they drop poop. That's lovely. Okay, task manager. Oh, come on. Okay, family album maker, iGuardian, fast transfer. What's in these files? Okay, properties. There's nothing hidden. Oop. So just family album and iGuardian. We can't get into the album maker. Is that what you're saying? Oop. Oh, there it is. Temporarily unavailable. Shortcut target is missing or unavailable. Temporarily. What? Oh, the system's crashed due to overload. The CPU asked me to tell you no one can stay calm rational at 100 degrees. The system is pretending to be busy to maintain... Oh! She said that... Yeah, she blue screened. So you get, this is a timed one too. Alright. Let's go in then. Display iGuardian filter. Show... Oh. Show hidden files. Nothing in there. Nothing in the logs. Nothing in there. Presets. Okay. Show hidden files in the bin. Image pipeline, album core. No, you're not in there. No, you're not in the Internet Explorer. You're in, oh. Desktop. Oh, program data. Nothing in there. Windows. Desktop. They were the only two I could get into before. So, what is it? Oh gosh, we're heating up. We're 100 degrees. Oh no. We're gonna shut down. ...101 degrees. Oh man. Temporarily unavailable. Temporarily unavailable. Temporarily unavailable. I mean, can I put spider in the... No, I can't. Desktop. Oh, no, that's not what I want. Like settings for desktop. Shut down. Right, what is it? We're still sitting at 101 degrees. It's Definitely nothing hidden in here. Show. My Guardian. Internet Explorer. What would be causing that's still right. Uninstall the album. Do I need to uninstall stuff? Yeah, we just looked at that one, Stu. Back again. iGuardian. Uninstall. Do we need to uninstall all three of them? Or two of them? And they're not reacting any differently. We're still at 101 degrees. Let's try uninstalling some. No, that wasn't open. That wasn't open. Run as administrator? No. Send a desktop shortcut. Temporarily unavailable. You cheeky. Temporarily unavailable. Oh my gosh. Okay. Back out of there. iGuardian then. Resources. The Lang. Logs. Can't open that up. Oh, uninstalling remove iGuardian. You are trying to uninstall iGuardian before you decide. Please learn our bio-tracking dynamic eye care technology, visual tracking the spiders crawling around, raining on the screen, not harassment. They guide your eyes to move irregularly. Oh, gosh. Too few spiders, not enough eye protection. I thought this was a normal eye care app. I don't need fake it. I've had enough. Oh, jeez. iGuardian. Right. That's supposed to help your eyes? Having spiders on your screen? That is a niche. Gosh damn. Medical requirement for your eyes. I know there's something that makes your screen move backwards and forwards ever so subtly. Yay? Uh-huh. That didn't work? Oh no. Oh, they're still there. Okay, let's head back in. iGuardian. Let's make it look. Show hidden. There it is. View large icons. So I went the tray. There's definitely no task there. Okay, so what did I need to do here then? Nobody understands. Like, if you insist on leaving, we are deeply sorry. I don't need this fake eye care app. Too few spiders, not enough eye protection. I don't need fake eye care. I've had enough. Had enough didn't work, so too few spiders. That was the first one. I thought this was a normal eye care. No. Task failed. Additional software installations detected. Spider what? Head the what the? Where did you come from? Spider browser? Uninstall, please. Oh, hang on. Dude, I just didn't... Like, can you just go away? Spider weather? Delete failed, try again. Cities? Still trying to go with the large icons here. Data. So you're not letting me... Hang on, is Task Manager going still? No, it's still not there. Spider Browser. No, can't get into there. There's nothing in there. No. Nothing in wallpaper. Really? Downloads, no. Comments, no. So... You won't delete. Yes, I do want to delete that file. Why couldn't I delete it before? Dude. Come on. Is it not gone? They're still there. What, how can they still be here? I've... Oh, man. This ain't making sense. I've deleted them out of the... There's nothing there. But you're saying there is. Too few spiders? Let's try the normal eye care app then. No, that didn't work. Since our encounter was a mistake, let this memory stay on your desktop forever. What? Okay, I've had enough. It's back again. They pop back up. I deleted them. Oh, you cheeky bugger of a game. You just snap them back on there without... Okay. No. Still there. So I deleted that off. Can I get in there now? Family album's gone. Spider browser. Uninstall. Why is the uninstall not working? Why is there two I don't understand why there's two versions. And you just will not. You just won't go away. Delete file. Two lots of bin, two lots of data, two lots of license, two lots of everything. That is crazy, man. Look, why can't I can't just click and drag you like a normal desktop, but I did this before already. Okay, what do we need? We ain't got Task Manager. Family album maker. Fast transfer we can't access for some weird ass reason. I'm not... Okay, can I ask for help then? I'll pay for it, man. Yes, okay. Okay, you've spent 45 coins to get a hint. Uninstall the main program first, then clear out the spiders and residues. Do I have to physically... What, you want me to put them in here? Like literally, oh my gosh. Do I really have to kill every single spider? Oh, that hint was... Oh, they're getting faster. Oh, that's lovely. Well, that was going to take me a while. And then I suppose I can... Like, they're definitely disappearing, aren't they? It's like faster ones, slower ones. Okay, alright, well thank you for the hint. It was worth the 45 coins. Gosh, I was sitting at 100 there. Where's the last two? Gotcha. Now, do I need to put you in the recycle bin? Don't refresh the spiders! What are you doing? Oh my god. Hey! How am I supposed to... What the hell? Oh, right, you have to give them a few times. Alright, got him. Okay, okay, okay. Oh man, this is not what I expected. Hit him again! Got him. Oh, jeez. This is a pain in the butt. Come on, spiders, disappear! Okay, one more. One more? No, two more. Didn't even get one click on that one. Okay, that's it. They're gone? Right. My computer back up there. Okay, so now I should be able to delete. How do I get rid of... like that? No way. No, they're just falling back down again. Okay, so how do I get rid of... Oh man. This is annoying. No, you still don't... Oh, why have they doubled up? So you gave me the clue. So can I just boom boom? Yeah? That's surely it, isn't it? They're still here. Oh, well, it's realistic up to a point, isn't it? Oh, man. What a pain in the butt. Family album. Temporarily unavailable. Shortcut target is missing or unavailable. So send a frickin' create a shortcut. What? I can delete that shortcut. Shortcut target is missing or unavailable. So do we need to install? We can't do anything with those two files. Internet Explorer's not working. Like, I can go through each one. So spider weather, I don't understand what spider weather is. That just doesn't make sense. Why is there all this poop on the screen? And why can't I just get rid of it? It would make sense to me that you can just... I mean, wasn't that my remote thing that I could... I can't just chuck it off the screen? No? Definitely just lands there. So what would I use? Is there something... Shortcut missing unavailable. So that's what I'm thinking. Is there a picture maybe in the family viewer of a toilet where I can put the put the poop into or something? No music, no downloads. It's really going to make me use the last of my money that I've spent all this time doing to get the next step to get rid of this stuff. I've already paid for that. Uninstall the main program first, then clear out the spider and the residues. How? How do I... what's... refresh? Text document? About to open new text document with a default program? No, you don't work. Empty recycling. Okay. 5 items deleted. What was in there? I can't... hang on. You can make the recycling bin that big, but it doesn't keep the poop in it. Come on. Oh, jeez. Can I use the bucket? I don't know what you want me to do. Oh, I'm going to get stuck on this spot, am I? I'm pretty sure this must have been the last one. Surely there's... what can I do? Hidden? Can't hide the... no. I mean, nothing's really clicking here to make sense. Like, I assume that you'd have to put it... temporarily unavailable. See? Like, what? Create the shortcut. Find the target. I don't know. It's not there. I want to transfer the files. I want to transfer the poop. Oh, come on, think. I just don't know what it is. Shortcut, but you haven't been installed yet. Family album. Run as administrator? Oh, come on! Send to desktop the shortcut. Create the shortcut. It's already there. How about the uninstall? Okay, here we go. No, the uninstall's temporary unavailable. Of course it is. Image pipeline. Open with, can't choose the program. Send that to the desktop. No, folder's empty. Run as administrator, no. Oh, I can change the name, can I? Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Shortcut missing. So we got the fast transfer. Shortcut that doesn't open. Oh, I just don't know. Can I just delete the spider files now for some reason? No, delete file, no. Warning. Uninstall now? No, that doesn't work, of course not. Update a spider core. I can't believe the spiders have beaten me. Well, the spiders didn't beat me, it's the poop. Cities, icon map. Spider weather, spider browser. I'm doing a lot of repeating here, I'm so sorry. I just don't know how to get rid of this boot down the bottom here. Something just isn't making sense. And I don't want to waste... Can I put it in the spare file? See, why can't I just move this? Can't I copy and paste the poop? Where would you drag it? Where would you be able to drag it? Where did it go? I had it in my... It just disappears if I move it off the screen? Wait a second. Is that where it's going? Hang on, it stays here in the screen there. Stays up the top. But it goes away if I put it away over there. You're not telling me I have to do this for every single goddamn piece of shit. What? Is it only to the left? Why is it only there? See, that one dropped down. What the hell? I need to keep some sort of... They surely wouldn't make you do this for every single piece. See, I'm holding the mouse button, and if I let go, this is confusing, man. Where are they going? No, that one dropped back in. Is it going in the family album maker? Why do you go up there but not... You go into my computer, you don't go into my recycling bin. What? These two spots up here are the only spots that you can put them. Is that because that was organised that way before? But don't understand why I can't just put it down here and do it. That's so stupid. Are we making any progress? I can't even tell anymore. I am so not going to do that. That is going to take so long, man. And it could all be for nothing. There's something else I need to do to be able to collect. Why can't I highlight? Desktop properties. Hidden read only. Oh man, and you're gonna give me the same goddamn bloody hint if I go up to remote? That's crazy. Why can't I select just the whole lot? It's only mouse here, there's no keyboard. Oh, okay, I've got to give up. I can't keep doing this. I'm really sorry. That's such a long time to play this demo, and that's just killed it for me, this last little spider thing. I don't know if there's a bug. I'm supposed to be able to pick them all up at something, but I can't click on anything. At least we've got the temperature down on the computer. This doesn't show anything. There's nothing else to do. Some commands work, some don't. Like, it's... Like, if I could work out how to open this, shortcut target is missing or unavailable, so, like, what? I go into... Documents? Yeah, no. Users? There's 2 lots of program files. It's in this one. Users, administrator, desktop, create a shortcut. That was the shortcut, the same shortcut. I don't know. No, we're not transferring any files, like poop files. Which is the only thing I can think of, just to be able to get rid of them more quickly. I'm sorry, I tried. What was it? And a slaughter. And it's going to give me the same thing. Clear out the spiders and residues. And I'm not going to do that individually. That is just freaking crazy to expect someone to do that. So, my apologies. If there was more to do after that, that's fun. But if that's the repetitive task to try and finish that customer's computer, they can keep their goddamn spiders. But anyway, thank you, third-party games developer and publisher. I like the idea of this game, but you've got to give me something else. If I've already clicked on a hint, please give me another hint. I need something else, and you've got to tell me, don't just clear out residue when there's a bunch of poop emojis on my screen. There's got to be more information. Anyway, appreciate your time as always. Peace out and laters.